Field trip, field trip. We're on the way to the field trip. Oh man, no! I don't want to die. I guess I'm gonna die today. And I had a big bump somewhere. I don't know where that phone from. Like, I almost ran off this cliff. But I don't care. I don't care about the yelling. I just want to live. Man, this mountain is pretty steep, if you ask me. Oh, jeez, bro, I almost tripped out. I might end up walking if something like that happens again. No! Peed on the wheels. Wow. Whoa. Man, imagine having like a really cool Lamborghini when you can just have the old cars. Wait, what the heck, bro? Why is this stopping my car right there? He owes me money now. Bro, why did you park there? You owe me money, bro. Anyone that hits me owes me money. Oh yeah, I don't have a driver's license, that's the fact. I can barely see. I got turned, right? I got turned. Rah. I am Drippy Car, ha ha. Oh no, I don't wanna die. I need to get out of this mountain and fa la 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 la. Go go go. Ah. Am I dead? Oh, I'm alive. Never mind, I was just alive. I'm alive. I'm alive! Yes! I just lost so many things on my vehicle. Oh my god. Oh, I heard extra. Man, they used that old person that had the very oldest cars. Like, bro, imagine having an old car. Man, why would everyone even buy them? Guess I'm dead. Goodbye. I landed on the wheels. It's just the wheels broke. And my friend is just sleeping. I'm gonna go down. He'll be down here. I have his mountain and no accident been caused. Oh man, why? Oh bro, man, my car is kind of bumped up. Whoever did that to the road needs to pay me now. He has to fix up my car. He can fix up all the past damages also. Okay, he wrecked my car. If he could pay for the nice back of the car and front and the grass. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, I'll still want to see the video, guys. Oh, my car doesn't even move anymore. I'm gonna go down now. cafe. I thought we go to the office park, the mountain, just for fun. And we're gonna play. Well, look at you. That is not mine. Wait, no. Don't tell me I know. My friend said he cried. He cried. I see his girlfriend. Well, I see her. Oh! Oh, shoot! Let's just say it's deep. Like, not deep, stirpy. Shoot, I should just use my brakes right at this moment. Oh, I'm alive! I need a hospital. I broke my leg. Oh. Yeah, God. Man, I heard lots of crash noises. Way too many. I wonder if her friends are right. In my very large truck. I'm just gonna go down this mountain. I'm gonna see. I'm not gonna get stuck. Dude, since I live in Ohio. Speaking of Ohio, I live in Ohio. And Ohio being made fun of. It all started with the song Ohio. There's no reason to make fun of Ohio. Like this. But no, my car flipped. I guess I'm just stuck here. Can I flip? No, I can't. Ugh, I heard there's many accidents. I think I should go now because there's way too many accidents for me to hold. Dang. Well, I heard I got to go to this. No, not, bro. No, I can just go to calmly. I heard there's so many accidents on this mountain. The hospital truck is cosmetic. But now my vehicle is more slower. I'm going slower. My vehicle. Stuck. Okay. Why does she fixed? And that's not fixed. Am I fixed? Oh well, I'm going through this. Not I decline being rolled down the mountain. I rather teleport my way down here. Right here. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, road. Road. It's a road. I better fix myself. Now, I highly doubt I'm close to the accident. Because they say I'm way out the accident record. Just gonna have to see. Okay, now I'm not as far. Just gonna go up here now. Turn around. Hope I don't miss any. Oh, well, my car's, like the back of my car's bent from that major accident that I was going through. I'm glad. What? I might be close. There's a whole like car track. What car? Ooh, what happened there? Well, I'm just causing because I just look at it. It says that they record. That's pretty bad. What? Not my problem. If I want to go down here, I better be calm. I definitely found one. I found another one. And my wheels don't work anymore. Oh, well, they called another cosmetic, and I'm another one. There's so many cosmetics I have to choose. Why are they cosmetics? They're just like, they're at the mountain, so I'll go to this mountain. Yeah, I don't see there's a road right down there. Of course I'll land it. Land! Perfect landing. Turn around. I was told to turn around. Well, a car's right there. Ah! Am I alive? Am I dead? Am I alive? No, I guess not today. That's all they called the police on purpose. Now, see if I can make this start jump. Oh. Okay, now I go this way. Oh my god. I just hit the front of my car. The fact how I'm an invisible person. And I had this bad accidents on my records. Oh, there's one. Oh shoot. Oh, that's like smushed. I'm fine. I'm just alive. I just like sitting here. Right, I'm about to sit here too. I'll suck. I say, you know what? This a pair. Say what? I'm Michael Jackson. I'm Michael Jackson. Oh my gosh, Al. Well, that was totally necessary and true. I'm Michael Jackson. And they will die. I'm trying to do my best just to live. Think I'm not. That's not my possess. I had no idea what was just happening. I think I was dreaming. I don't know what that dream made me think too much. Okay. Imaginary. Imagining took awkward. But at least I'm alive. I'll pick away my other. It's Michael Jackson! Michael Jackson just fainted. Oh my brother. Brother, my friend. I'll save you. And brother, we drive in any side road. Road, same road. Drive what you want. Michael Jackson, move on the way. I'll save you. My car's weak. I think I'm gonna die next. My car's weak. I think we'll die next. Here's my little Marty. My Marty. Yeah, I'm dead. Michael Jackson passed out for a little bit. Michael Jackson's brother. More. Well, I'm the dad on the way. Michael Jackson on the way. I was second both on that. Why on earth are you on this mountain? No wonder a lot of people die here. But like, there's absolutely many ways. Come on, his body. He died. Oh shoot. I better live in my life. How the heck did I work? You do something like it. I was a wishing friend. I see this man a guy wearing booty somewhere. Got me. I see it. Can't shoot it. My wind get a bit and I look at him. So she's got really weird teeth. Yeah, she did it. Your brother's head. Oh, we're sorry, boy. We're just exploring hell. We're trying to. We're trying to explore the car. So the bar, we're gonna die. We're alive. We're alive. So, boy, we are very lucky. No one literally, like, lives on this road, bro. Like, they always end up dying. In my blurriness, like, their vision gets. Oh, someone made it kind of far, too. Ah, no wonder no one decides to go on this road. And that's like, I was gonna die in the end of. Is that how you. I guess we're next dead ones. Alright, goodbye. Ugh, dead people? Oh no. Why am I doing this? This is a very dangerous mountain. Why does anyone decide to even go on this mountain anyway? It's very weird and dangerous. Oh, no wonder this mountain's so strong. Well, what the heck? I was feeling top anyway. How come a thousand people died on a road mountain? I highly doubt it's even that bad. That's it. Okay, whoever reads this out now gotta pay me. The damage is done. I'm like, dang up. No wonder people. You know, I better do this. Sure. No wonder people died. I guess I'm the next one to die. I'm still spinning. Next time, the car is fast. I'm in the 21st century. We don't need that. We don't need coming back alive. But like, there's such a meme because I do all shivering. Hey, boy, I have this very this is very Japanese. See, I'm the new sister and I don't care about you, Justin. Oh my gosh, my door fell off. I'm the sister and they don't tell me now. Now, what you flip? Now why is I dead over this? I guess I'm the next one that's dead. Yeah. I think I'm dead now. Goodbye. I'm the grandpa's. I'm double the real grandpa. And my cars did that to me. Wow. Goodbye. I'll get stuck. I'm dead. I died. I died. I'm dead. I'm lagging you. I will save you on the last of their lives. Alright, part 2 will be another time.